kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant hi bapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long hi kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Wei Nongbylla ula du la ka chong jing im hadim bula shatep im haka Jingtwa ka Khyndew haka chaka bella hamadung diang East Hills district haka khat artrik jeliu ahaja pun riu ukurwa balapha du senior staff officer but additional public relation officer ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guard Meghalaya uba Paul H. Shela ula pentip baka kunhun State Disaster Response Force kalalet bansai ya kamet tang shuyo jingtip halor kaniga jingja naka District Disaster Management Authority East Hills. Kani ka kunhun dalam khaman do Inspector T Tensong. Kalapoi syakti ka jaka hakapur ar sop huar baje no asngi pada haka jingtri shitom kablane shikan tatam ayo saino ekamet hakapur kumba saul ala shipau baje janmiet. Ya kamet Leit no ashipulit kibla shimti ben penkit shamau diang police outpost takajing sak hilang urang basnang kasnang mau diang utara jong kacaka baterai bat kiparlok ki baytri lang bo Nongbylla belah klatno. Kadado bapelmi yang ni khubor ompala satia banyo ya kerteng ka bapura jong uni Nongbylla.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.